Hello everyone, myself Shanaz and I welcome you all to my wonderful world of education system, that is MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. In this video, we are going to learn about addition of like fractions and unlike fractions. And this video is happening again because of my two kids who forgot how to do it. Yeah, okay. One kid is both of them are going to 7th standard now and they forgot about the addition of fractions. Actually, I have sent them a worksheet. Yes, yeah, I've sent them a worksheet on Saturday to do addition of fractions and they did it in a very different way. Yeah, so that is not right. So I'm revising it again. Fine. So please remember this. Now don't forget it. Okay, it's okay you forgot, but now when I'm explaining it again, I want you to concentrate and understand the methodology. As I told you many a times, kid, maths is all about logic. Yeah, maths is all about logic and some formulas and some methods that you have to remember. And you have to do it in that way. Then it becomes easy. There is no shortcut. Okay? Then it becomes easy. You can do any given problems easily. Fine, kids? Okay? So fractions we learned, right? The fraction chapter actually starts at class 4 level. Class 5 and 6 also you have done fractions in detail. Okay? Class 7, I think you don't have this chapter, yeah? It is there? Not sure. Fine. But you have to remember this. Okay? And now when I'm explaining, I want you to understand it in such a way that you remember it for a long time. And you should be able to explain it to your juniors and peer group. Okay? Fine. So coming to addition of like fractions. What it is?
Like fractions.
Like fractions. So before moving ahead, tell me what are like fractions?
The fractions which have same denominators are called like fractions.
Yes, very good. Thank God you remember this definition at least. Okay, so there are different types of fraction and like fraction is one of them. And like fraction means fractions which have same denominator. So as you can see here, there are two fractions, 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Okay, you have same denominators. Okay, that means they are what? Like fractions. Addition of like fraction is very easy, kids.
To add the
Very easy.
numerators.
You just have to add the numerators. Denominator will be the same. Common for both of them because it is same. So 2 plus 3 by 7 and your answer is 5 by 7. Within 2 steps it is done. Yes, very easy. Now see here, there is one more example. 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Okay, you have same denominators. Okay, so you are just adding the numerator. 3 plus 6 by 5 is equal to 9 by 5. It's very easy. You just, in addition of like fractions, you just have to add the numerators. Denominator will be the same. Okay. Now when it comes to addition of unlike fractions, what are unlike fractions?
The fractions which don't have the same denominators are called unlike fractions.
Unlike fractions. Okay. So fractions which have different denominators. Okay. As you can see here in the example, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Okay. There are two different fractions which have different denominators. And these are what? Unlike fractions. Now addition of unlike fraction is not as simple as like fraction. Yeah. Because for adding this, you need to convert it into like fraction first. So first thing what you have to do it, you have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction and then add it. Okay. Now to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction, what you have to do is, see, first is what you have to do. We have to convert the like fraction into unlike fraction into like fraction. So now there are some steps to be followed. Now your first step is you have to find the LCM of both the denominators of both the fractions. Okay, what you have to do first step? You have to find the LCM of these denominators. Okay, what are the denominators here? 5, 10. You have to find the LCM. How you will find the LCM? You know this, right? This is the method. So when you find the LCM of 5 and 10, the LCM of 5 and 10 is how much? 10. Okay, now you got the LCM? LCM of both the denominators. Now next step is this LCM will be the denominator of both the fractions now. Okay, whatever the LCM you got, this LCM will be the denominator of both the fractions, of these two fractions. Okay, so how you will do it now is 3 by 5 is your first fraction. You have two fractions, yes, 3 by 5, 1 by 10. Okay, now let us take the first fraction, 3 by 5. Now next step is you have to find the equivalent value. To find the equivalent value, what you're doing is, now 3 by 5 is there, your first fraction. Okay, what is the LCM you got? 10. Okay, this is your denominator. Fine. So now what you will do is, how you have done, see here. This LCM, this is 10 is the LCM. You will divide this LCM with the 5. 5 is what? The denominator. The denominator of the first fraction. Okay. Now when you divide 10 by 5, what you will get? 2. 2 is the quotient. Okay. Now this quotient you will multiply it with 2. This 2 where you are getting it? This numerator.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now what you will get? 6 by 10. Let us make it again in one more way. Now 3 by 5 is your first fraction.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. First fraction. 10 I said whatever the LCM you get, that will be the denominator for both the fraction.
Yes, teacher.
So 10 you have taken it as denominator. Now 5, how many times if you take it will become 10? In 5 table, when will you get 10?
5 twos are.
5 twos are. That means 5 into 2 is 10.
10.
Now numerator also you have to multiply with the same number. Okay, you are multiplying this with the
Same.
yeah.
Teacher.
Then you are getting 10. So
Yes,
that means you have to multiply the numerator also with 2.
2.
So 3 into 2 by 10 is equal to how much? 6
6
by
by
10.
10.
So first fraction you solved it. You got the equivalent value
Yes,
6
teacher.
by 10.
10.
Now you take the next fraction. What is the next fraction? 1 by 10.
10.
Yeah. So now 1 by 10 if you take, again in 10 table, when you will get 10?
10 table. 10 ones are 10.
10 ones are 10. Okay, that means into 1. Okay, so numerator also you have to multiply it with 1.
1.
So 1 by 10.
10.
You got it? You understood? See here.
Yes.
In other way what I can explain you is, now LCM you are dividing it with denominator. Okay, and whatever quotient you get, that you are with the same quotient you have to multiply the numerator. So you will get 1 by 10. You are trying to understand, Krishna?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Krishna, where are you? Understood what I am trying to say? Okay, now you got the equivalent value. So the fraction 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 10 and the fraction 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10 only. You solved?
Yes, teacher.
Now you got both the fractions have same denominator.
Yes, teacher.
Easy?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, that means you have converted these two unlike fractions into
Like fractions.
Now you can add them.
Yes,
So
teacher.
6 by 10 plus 1 by 10. You add the numerators, you will get
7 by 10.
Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So to convert, to add unlike fraction, the first step is you have to convert the unlike fraction into
Like
fraction.
fractions.
So to convert unlike fraction into like fraction, your first step is to find the LCM of the denominators
Yes, teacher.
of both the fractions. After getting the LCM, that LCM you will divide it with the denominator, and whatever the quotient you get, that you are multiplying with the numerator. Same thing, and you will get it. Did you understand,
Yes,
kids? As you keep solving it, you will get it. It's step by step process. See, one more example I have taken. You see this? What are the two fractions here? 5 by 10 plus 3 by 20. Both the denominators are different. It is
Yes,
unlike
teacher.
fraction. Now you have to convert it into like fraction. So what you will do? First you will
LCM.
find the LCM of denominators. What are the denominators? 5 and 10.
10.
Okay. So LCM of 5 and 20 is, see, like this you will find the LCM. 5 and 20. What is the LCM?
20.
20. Okay. Now this LCM you will divide it with the denominator of the first fraction.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you will get what? 4.
4.
Okay. And this 4 you will multiply it with the numerator, whatever the numerator. Then you will get it 16 by 20. Okay. Or in other words, what I can say is, this LCM will be the denominator of both the fractions I said.
Yes, teacher.
So 20 is the denominator. Now 5 how many time multiplied by in 5 table, when will you get 20?
4.
4. So 5 into 4. So numerator also you have to multiply it with 4.
4.
Understood, kids?
Yes, teacher.
So you will get the answer 16 by 20.
20.
Now next fraction 3 by 20. In 20 table, when you get 20? Ones are.
21.
Okay. So numerator also you have to multiply with the same number.
Yes, teacher.
Then you will get 3 by 20. So 5 by 4 is equal to 16 by 20. 3 by 20 is equal to
3 by
3 by
20.
20. Now both the denominators are same.
Yes, teacher.
That means it is like fraction
Yes,
now.
teacher.
Now you can add it.
Yes,
Now
teacher.
add the numerators. 16 plus 3, you will get 19 by
19 by
20.
20.
So 4 by 5 plus 3 by 20 is equal to 19 by
20.
You understood, kids?
Yes, teacher.
It's easy, right? Step by step process. You just remember the steps, and as you keep solving it, you will get it. It's
Yes,
easy.
teacher.
So how much ever complicated they gave, maybe 2 fractions, 3 fractions, this same methodology you have to follow.
Yes,
So like fraction addition is easy. Unlike only, you have to follow some steps.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, kids, understood?
Yes, teacher.
So all those who are watching, if this video has helped you in understanding addition of like fraction and unlike fraction, then please, my dear students,
Like, share and subscribe our channel MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. Thanks for watching.
so you both understood, right?
Yes, teacher.
So now I'll ask you to explain this to your juniors, 6th standard. You'll do it?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, understand it in such a way that you should be able to do it, as well as you should be able to explain it to the others. Okay, whatever is there in your mind, you should be able to explain it to the others. Then you become more perfect. Okay, kids? So thanks for watching.